Well, I'm having an existential crisis. It is 4:58 in the morning, and I am out by San Francisco International Airport. Just dropped off the girlfriend. She's going to Dallas for the week for some program from her company. I've been up since 3. It's not a good time. However, I remembered something, and this is where my existential crisis comes in, because I don't want this channel to end up like being a channel just all about charging and charging locations. And I feel like it's becoming that, but I couldn't pass this up. Um, I found, well, I didn't find, I remembered in my travels that there is a BP Pulse hub right near SFO. And so here we are. So my channel is now turning into a charging channel. So we're going to jump out and I'm going to go charge on these beautiful Alpitronic HYC 400s. I've never charged on one before, so this is going to be an awesome experience for me. And we're going to check out BP Pulse because this is pretty awesome that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 chargers right here in San Francisco out by the airport. All right, let's go check this out. So beautiful brand new chargers. Like I said, there's 10 spots, which is pretty great. Check out the screen. So it's 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., 42 cents a kilowatt hour. 6 a.m. to 2, 48 cents. Peak, which apparently is 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., 54 cents. So I'm gonna tap to pay, and we'll get this going. All right, so just tap to pay. $35 hold, and I just realized that this is NACS. Well, are they all NACS? No, the ones over there are CCS, and the ones over there are CCS. Awesome. I'm going to go move my car. All right, let's try this again. So apparently they're mixed. So looks like I don't know what's going on with these. Why are the chargers, or why are these are installed backwards? CCS or NACS. So 2, 4 NACS chargers, 6 NACS, 8. So there's only 4 CCS chargers at this, and all the rest are NACS. That's kind of interesting. All right, pricing's the same, so I'm gonna get plugged in here, and we'll give this a shot. All right, just tap to pay again. Another $35 hold. I'll tell you though, this is pretty nice. All right, so we're approved. Let's plug in. And I chose this one. All right, there we go. Cool. Preparing charging session. Preparing power delivery. Now I'm at 60% state of charge, so I'm not expecting miracles here, but we'll see what we can get. We're green on the car. Oh, there we go. And it's going. Hell yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Yeah, look at that stuff. Hell yeah. I'll tell you, this is pretty great. All right. No, I mean, that's expected. And we're at what, 170? 171. That's actually not bad for 60%. Go Rivian. Hell yeah. All right, well, let's check this out. So we are in a Hertz parking lot right off the freeway. That's Highway 101 right there. Good old 101. There's a Dunkin' across the street. Looks like they're open. I might have to go over there in a sec and get some stuff. But yeah, these are pretty nice, man. So yeah, so Nax, and they're on the other side, which is weird. Nax, CCS, Nax, CCS. So that's pretty cool. Go over here and take a look at oh yeah, here. We'll take a look at the info on the back. Yeah. All right. These are super quiet, by the way. This is awesome. Like, you can't hear anything. Come down and check out all the equipment over here. Here's all the cabinets. BP products. SFO electric vehicle charging program. Charging program. That is fantastic. Goddamn. All right. Here's the transformer. Let's see if we can find any of the info on it. Doesn't really say anything. Hey, it's my shadow. What's up, y'all? Here's all the equipment. Anybody know the combination to that? Let's see. Another Lincoln Electric product. You guys are the best. 4,000 amps. Sweet. This is the greatest thing I've seen all morning. But yeah, cool. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to check this place out. Never charged on an Alpitronic charger before, which is kind of cool that we actually have some here. I know Iona is opening a couple of rechargeries. Actually, I think they're opening 4 in the Bay Area. Been tracking those. There's going to be one downtown, one in Pacifica, and I forgot where the other 2 are going to be. But that's going to be really awesome to be able to go check those out eventually and charge on these awesome chargers again. So just kind of wanted to come check this out, and yeah, here we are. So I'm going to go across the street to Dunkin' and get some coffee and a bagel and use the restroom, and I'll come back when the charging session's finished. All right, well, now I feel a lot better. got some more coffee, little bathroom break, all good. So session's down to about 50 kilowatts. We're at 80%. I'm going to go up to 85 just to kind of give me some juice to get home, even though it only takes about 15-20% to get home. Yeah, overall, great experience. Super easy to use. I love that the here, I'll flip this around. I love that it glows blue, showing that it's in use, and that the other one is still green, and that you can charge at the same time. It even has the port numbers, and they're labeled really well. It's pretty cool. This is a great little site, even though it's in a little sketchy neighborhood. It's all right. and there's a Hertz, so it's cool. These power lines are buzzing. It's a little misty, so I'm guessing that's why, but it's a little scary, not gonna lie. So it's pretty cool. Overall, great experience, and I mean, it's not costing me very much. Let's see. Flip this guy back around. $13 for 31 kilowatt hours. That's not bad. I'll take it. Been here about 20 minutes. Well, exactly 20 minutes. How about that? So pretty cool. Probably cost me about 15 bucks to, get what, 30%, 25%. Can't do math. Let's take a look at the charging detail while we're here. Nice little step down. All right, I'll take it. Let's look at the cost detail. Same info that's on the front. 42 cents. It's pretty good. Awesome. All right, well, that's gonna do it from here. Just thought I'd shoot a quick video while I was here just to try to kill some time, and I'm gonna head home and throw this video together, and yeah, not turning this into a charging channel. I really don't want to do that. It just seems like that's the content that I've been producing lately, and it's weird. As you can tell, truck's a little dusty. Took it up to Tahoe last weekend. Got out right before all the crazy weather happened. Like, as we were driving out of Tahoe coming around the lake, it started raining, and then obviously maybe about a half hour or so after we left, it started snowing. We did see all of those boats that got like cut loose from the marina floating around, and I thought that was crazy. Didn't realize all the crazy stuff that was happening until actually I saw a video this morning while I was getting ready from people that were like on those boats that were out there. It was nuts. But had a great time with the Sierra Nevada Rivian Club with the Genoa Peak trail cleanup. So shout out to Ben and Matt, well, both Matts, for putting that together. And it was great hanging out with everybody and seeing some friends I haven't seen in a while. And got to go do truck stuff, and it was great. So, and we picked up a lot of trash. Don't know how much yet. So hopefully find that out soon. And yeah, but it was a great day. Actually met a guy that worked for Rivian and kind of gave me some info about the new R1 quads that are coming out. And I think we'll see those in the next week or two. That's just kind of my hypothesis. Not what he said. I just based on what he was telling me and what I know about how media and stuff works. Yeah, so that'll be kind of fun to see that, and yeah, who knows. Anyway, so from the BP Pulse Hub in San Francisco, or Giga Hub or Mega Hub or whatever they call it, thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to follow me on all the socials at Zach Winnick on X, at Wild Wattage with a Y on Instagram. And yeah, you found me on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and like and all that good stuff, and feel free to leave a comment for the sake of engagement, even if it's just a thumbs up or a lightning bolt emoji or like whatever. Some pretty cool stuff coming up too. We've got some really cool events with Bay Area Rivian Club, so hopefully shoot some video and get those up on the channel as well. And yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody, and until the next charging video, I guess. Thanks for watching, and stay adventurous.